Hello guys, it's Verzikten here. Please enjoy and I'll see you on the next video.
Guys, why I call him Childe. It's like chill and then DE like Childe. The reason I can't say child is because imagine saying you're trying to get child. You know, like that just sounds weird. Like what am I gonna say? I'm rolling for a child today? That just sounds really bad. So I'm gonna call him Childe because that sounds less bad. But he's a really cool character. I do weird tactics all the time. Sometimes they don't work, you know? Actually, a lot of times they don't work. In fact, most of the time they don't work. But that's besides the point. The point is, you just, oh Jesus. Look, good thing we have eggs. Alright, look, good thing we have eggs. So, this dude, he's fine. He's fine. They wouldn't expect me to roll again after that. I'm a genius. I'm a genius. Yellow? Right, so I'm on the prologue. I haven't finished yet. So, I would have to do chapter 1 and then chapter 2 to hit the new content. I'm technically sponsored, but there's a minor issue, so... but don't tell them that. I hope that doesn't affect it. Anyway, I'm a little behind on the story. What am I doing here? Is this a mission? Guys. So last time I was gonna roll with my own money, right? And then Zacharos donated $100. So technically, all these rolls was just because of the donation. So I haven't spent any money yet, technically, right? I think, technically. Right? And besides, we were 2 rolls in. Let's just... This is so bad. Alright, look. Why don't we test out our new character a little bit, and then we'll roll again in a bit. What do you guys think? You know, you got another roll with a purple weapon that you didn't even want that bad. Well, you're right. But we still have 5,393 gems left. There's no way this goes wrong. Right, guys? We have 5,393 gems left. There's no way this goes wrong. There's just... This is it, guys! It's yellow! What? Wait, I thought we... What? It was... I think I've gone colorblind. I swear I thought it was yellow. I mean, I guess technically she's yellow, but... That is not the yellow I thought we were getting. I think I've gone colorblind, guys. Have I gone colorblind? I think I may have, yeah, I don't know what happened. Yeah, there's a blue. We did it, guys! We got him! Wait, so we still have more rolls, right? So, no, we should just save them. We'll save them for Zhongli, right? Okay, so I'm just gonna power him up. This is my new main character, guys. We're putting all our points into this guy. What do we do? Okay, he's gonna be number 1. All right, number 4 is Kiki. And then Venti's number 3. And then number 2 is Fish or something.
Behold, the princess.
All right, we're gonna power him up, guys. All right, let's try sucking them in. That'll surely work. They're immune to the suck. I can't believe it. These crabs are immune to the. They're cheating. All right, they shouldn't be able to do that. Oh no, are we on our last one? Guys, we're on our last roll here. We can get it on this one, right? Surely we can get it on this one. Here comes the wallet. No, guys, we still have 1 solid roll left. We're gonna be fine. We're gonna be completely fine. We just need to, Yellow? It's yellow. It's yellow. It's not yellow. It's not... Oh no. Oh no, guys. All right. Well, I didn't want to have to do this, but we're gonna have to do it, guys. Another one of her. I'm sick of getting her. We keep getting Betos. They should call her Bait-O because we keep getting baited into getting something. All right, look. I didn't want to have to do this, guys. I didn't want to have to do this, but look. Let me explain how this works. So in this game, if you roll, right, there's a super low chance to get a 5-star. But the more times you don't get a 5-star, it increases your chances of getting it the next time. So, like, at this point, we have to spend money for efficiency, right? Let me just, Let me just try and pop open my the old credit card. Just give me 2 seconds, guys. I redeemed it. I redeemed something. All right, we got some. I used the code that they. All right, we got 60 more gems. 60 more gems. This boss is like a Skyrim boss. So you're telling me I should go Khajiit and then keep punching it because Khajiits do 1,000,000 punching damage. Is like we could take on a Hydra whatever by ourselves. Can't be that tough, can it? All right. I didn't touch the teleporter. No, I did that on purpose because I forgot to touch the teleporter. So, look, you see, I forgot to touch the teleporter, so I did that on purpose. Look, I'm just gonna do it. All right, look, what's gonna happen, guys? I can't stop. I need the new character. I have no choice. Let me just. Oh God. Look, guys, we just got a PepegaSwipe. How do you enable that? Does anyone know how to enable that on, let me check BTTV. Yeah. Oh, Clea, thanks for this. What, did I just die? Oh, Jesus, that's not good. Oh, wait, this is actually bad news, isn't it? This is actually bad news. We're gonna lose. I'm not paying attention. All right, look, there's only one dude left, right? There's only one dude left. We'll just keep attacking him, and eventually he'll die. Eventually. Unless I fall off this cliff right here. He's gonna fall. I'm not falling off the edge, guys. There's no way I'm falling off this edge here. It's the ultimate. Alright, so I do think I did it in the wrong. Use the water character. Okay, you know, we don't need to do this. We don't need to do this mission. Look, I think we learned what we need to do. So, you know, I think we learned how to play the character. And that's what we really learned there. So, you know, I'm gonna just pour all the items that he needs. Items is the thing. No, they're not. People told me that it's every 10 wishes, whether you do 10 at once or you, I don't know. Okay, fine. Let's just do 10. Let's just do 10, guys. Why not? Yellow? Ah, it's purple. Okay, fine. Let's just keep doing the 10s. After 75. Oh, okay. Another one of her. Is she actually good, guys? Is she actually? Because, I don't really know. Okay. Guys, I can... Where's my wallet? Where's my wallet? I'm gonna have to... I didn't want to have to do... I just hope Peter's not here. I just hope Peter's not here to see this, but... We're gonna keep trying, but, Yellow? Oh, no. Oh, no, guys. Okay. Oh no, guys, I'm gonna have to pull out the wallet. I can feel it. This is Justice, thanks for the sub, and Nate. Oh, it's one of her again. How come I haven't gotten the new unit? There's a new unit you couldn't get before, like Dieno or something, right? Diona. Oh no, are we on our last one? Guys, we're on our last roll here. We can get it on this one, right? Surely we can get it on this one. Here comes the wallet. No, guys. We still have one solid roll left. We're going to be fine. Vampire and Wildener, Toasty, and Sungomi. Thanks for the subs. Guys, I'm just trying to power up my new unit. This is tougher than I thought. But I have a secret weapon, guys. I have a secret weapon. And here's how I know I'm going to beat this guy. There's no way this game's not going to make me win. If I randomly spend money in the middle of a battle, they wouldn't expect that. Yellow? I knew it, guys. I knew it. They wouldn't expect me to spend money in the middle of a battle. I'm too smart for this game. I'm just too smart, guys. How do I come up with these ideas? I don't know. But this is how you do it, guys. Most people are like, oh, I'm going to roll out of combat. Me, I roll in the middle of a boss fight, and then I get another one. I'm a genius. I'm a genius. Well, guys, what can I say? I'm too big brain for this game. See, they have these things like bad luck. They think people roll during regular times, maybe in town, maybe after they spend money. I roll in the middle of a battle, and that's how you get a free thing. And we got a 4-star. That's insane, guys. That's how you do it. What can I say? So the secret to getting better luck is in the middle of battles, randomly pause and spend money, and there you go. You just get better units like that. I'm just too big brain. All right, back to the boss fight. Insane. I honestly, I don't really know how it quite worked so well, but it kind of did. Twitch, thanks for the sub. Swipe. Look, guys, we can't. A lot of our friends have spent a lot of money, right? And there's nothing wrong with that. I also may have spent, like, I've been told that if you spend less than $1,000, you're basically free to play.